nyime nyaka Ramogi chiemo ma iuso e tie ndara idhi kum e bwo chik manyien ma kaunti ma Migori okalo kokalo migawo mar pur.
Man kaluwore gi chik mageto neno ni jopur oyudo puonj makare wi yedhe ma onego gitigo e pur kod pith jamni.
Apisa maduong' mar migawo mar pur e kaunti ma Migori Elijah Gambere wacho ni oganda mathoth chamo chiemo ma ok ber kod ngimagi nikech yedhe ma itiyogo e yore mag pur kod thiedho jamni.
Ka Jofrey Nyangori to matiyo gi riwruok mar Micro Enterprise Support Program Trust bende wacho ni ber ka jopur tiyo kod yedhe makare wera ni oganda mathoth chamo chiemo ma ok ber kod ngimagi.
And that kind of food usually get contaminated. The milk that we get from our farmers, if it's not properly taken care of, then you'll find chances of it being contaminated is very high, and that can result into very serious diseases. So we had to come up with these measures to ensure that what people eat, the consumers, not necessarily what is being exported outside the country and the county, but even what is consumed locally should be safe enough for our people and for our citizens of this county.
The moral and ethical issues are now being compromised. Farmers are now contaminating food. They are overspraying food, and at the end of the day, what we get is poison. And what we've had as a result, we've seen quite a number of cases of people having cancer and other non-communicable diseases that you can almost attribute them to the kind of foods that we take. And this is taking away a huge part of our budgets, even nationally. So if we can work together to address this, then we can improve the health of people of this country.